So this is what I did in this old bedroom before. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys. So today is Sunday and I am planning to move my closets. Yeah, it's a little bit messy. Yeah. So we are gonna be moving this to the other bedroom, and I'm gonna be turning. It's a tiny bedroom here, so I'm gonna be turning it at my bedroom, and then this closet will be moving in here. So my bed will be moving in that side. So I was planning actually to have my computer on that side here, and I'm gonna be putting my closet on the other side, and I'm thinking about putting something in here, maybe my gaming stuff. Yeah, it's still messy here. That's my coat. I need to dry clean them. And I'm gonna be this is gonna be my coat rack here. And yep, I have some of this stuff, toys that I have to keep. But today is Sunday and we are moving. We're moving. Yeah, I'm so messy. And I'm probably gonna put this put it somewhere. These are all my bags. I have more purse downstairs. But yeah. the things here, and this should be fine. I moved everything in this bedroom already, so that's gonna be my tiny bedroom, and we are I think we are done here. So this is what I did in my so this is what I did in this old bedroom before. So this is what we are right now. Thank you so much for watching my video. So please leave me a comment below if you have any suggestions, and if you like it, please hit thumbs up. And of course, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you, good night, and bye.